You guys, welcome to my channel. This channel is all dedicated to those who are passionate about their career and starting their career in various fields, and this channel will share all the details to you which help you to be best in your respective field. So today we will discuss about the Excel, and all professionals should have knowledge how to work on Excel. I have already made a video of basic Excel, and today we will learn all features on home page. So let's get it started. So this is all home page of Excel sheet, and we will learn step by step all the details given on the home page. So first, we have already made the video about the copy cut paste in the previous video. I already told you, and we have format painter in the home page. And how could you use it? From it you can copy formatting from one place to another. You just need to double tap on the button and apply the same formatting to the multiple place in the document. I'll show you how. So how could you use the format painter? You need to select the cells and double tap on the format painter and put it the cursor on where you really want to add the format, just like that, and all the formatting adding on the another cell. Okay, this is how you can use the format painter. And now we will discuss, this is the font section. You can change whatever kind of font you want. You can change it from it there. You just need to tab it on the kind of font, and here you can change all the font size. See, you can change it by just click on it. Okay, and now I want to change the font size. So you need to select all the table, and you need to select all the table. If you want some cell to increase or decrease, you can just select one cell. Okay, I am selecting all the cell and make it increasing. Okay, if I really want to make it smaller, I will double tap on small size. Okay, and here you can make it bold and remove it by clicking on it. If you really want it to be italic, you can change it to be italic. And you really want to make a underline all this table, you can just double tap on it, you can change it. Okay, now we will discuss about fill color. You can change the whole table by coloring it whatever color you want. You really want it to, you make your table very colorful or presentable to your client. Okay, now we will discuss about the font color. If you really want to make a colorful font color wala type of your table, you can change it from there. Okay, this you can change it from it. Now here you can change your alignment of your respective table or particular cell. What you have to do, you just need to select the table and just put it on the kind of alignment you want. If you really want make it on the center, you just need to tab it. If you really want to make it on the upper center, you just need to just put it on right cursor on it. And you really want to make it on the side table, you can make it on these kind of things. If you really want to make it on the front side, you can make it like this. So this is the kind of things which make your table or your work presentable. Okay, so this is very basic knowledge. I am giving you only basic knowledge about the home page. Step by step we will consider more formulas, and we will definitely go to particular kind of formulas which is really helpful to make you pro in your Excel work. Okay, so here I am telling you about the alignment. And now if you really want to make it something like orientation type of kind of cell, you just need to right click on it and make it, and again right click on it. You can change it like this. You can change your cell like this if you really want to make it on the presentable kind of thing. Okay, so now I will tell you what is the wrap text. Wrap text is kind of thing, or if your content is not visible in one cell, you can use wrap text by clicking on the wrap text. What you need to do is just See, this is not properly shown on one cell. I really want make it to shown on the one cell. Firstly I need to do is right cursor on the cell and click on the wrap text. See, this is shown on the one cell. Okay, one cell. Okay, this is shown on the one cell. And another, if I am writing somewhere, see, SN number, and now I am writing like this, and I really want to make these numbers are the SN sum. So what I need to do is select the all cells and merge it into one. Okay, this is what the merge and center cell. So this is the numbered format section. If your cell is really on the general section, you really want to make it on the texted cell, you have to put it on the general cell. If you want to make it on the numerical, you need to select on the number cell. If this cell is basically about the currency or particular kind of accounting details, you can add it on the currency. And if this cell is related to the dates, you can change it on the date cell. See, if I make it on the date, this would be a date cell. See, this is the cell is basically related to date, and this is the cell is journal. In there is capital words also, there is also numbers word. And again, if I see the another cell, this is also a general cell, and again I am just adding on the custom size, because custom size is important. Custom is related to the number or calculation base. So basically when we are on the calculating the number, we really need to have custom size, because in the custom number we can add point number also. And where you have here, we can use the percentage style, and here we can use the comma. Okay, and this is the increasing decimal and decreasing decimal. See, this is the number which has no decimal. If we really want to make it on the decimal number, I need to increase the decimal, and I don't want a decimal on my figure, I will remove it. Okay, this is the number format. So now we have the conditional formatting. This is also a very big topic. We will discuss this on the next video. And here is the format as table. This is a table of mine. I can change it on any table, whichever you want, whichever kind of table you we really think this is very cool and you really want to make it on your presentation, you can make it like this. See, okay. So now this is the format, and now we will discuss about the cell format. If you want to increase or decrease or delete any kind of cell, you can change from it. So there is two way you can increase or decrease your cell. How you can do this? Firstly, you can just click on the column button and press Ctrl plus minus. This will delete from your sheet. I really want to make it, and if you really want to add it again, you just need to Ctrl Z. It will be undo your cell or your column. Okay, now if you really want to make insert another cell, what you need to do, just Ctrl plus, okay, this is another column, you can easily add on it. Okay, what you have to do, again I am saying what you have to do, Ctrl and plus. See, another column is increasing. If you really want to, you don't want to make it on your Excel sheet, you just need to Ctrl plus minus. Okay, this column already decreases or deleted from your sheet. So how could you so here I tell you how could you do by the keywords. And if you don't want to make it if you really don't want to use your keywords, what you have to do is just click on your column button, increase. If I consider one cell, this will increase, you really want to increase your row, column above and column to the left, right? This will help you like this. See, this will increase your row, and you really want to increase your column, this. Okay, so this is the way how you can increase or decrease your cells or column or row. Okay, so at the end I am giving you some shortcut keys to learn. Firstly, Control plus Z is for undo, and Control plus Y is for redo. Redo is if I change something and I make it undo and this is not done, I really want to make it again, whatever kind of thing it has, I will do it Control plus Z. See, I show you how. I'll do it Control plus Z. Okay, the previous format is coming on in this sheet, and I really want it whatever kind of format it has already. What I need to do is Control plus Y. Okay, and again, if I want to increase or insert a particular cell or row, I just need to put it on the column section, header of the column section, and then I need to do is Control plus, and now see the result. This is for Control plus. And if I really want to delete all kind of all my column, what I need to do is Control plus minus. Okay, and now I want to make something copy. I have copy Control plus C, and I have to paste it another way. So what I need to do is Control plus V. If I really want to select all the sheet, what I need to do is Control plus A. See, all the cell is selected. And if you want to bold something, some cell, you can easily click on it, or along with that we can, what you have to do is Control plus B, it will bold. And same case in Control plus I, Control plus F. Control plus F is for if you have to find something and the sheet is full on with the numbers, what I have to do is Control plus F. And if I write it on the insert, it will, okay. So this is some shortcut keys I am giving you to learn, and this is really very basic knowledge of Excel. If you are a beginner, this is very important, this is very helpful for you. And if this video really help you to make something in your career, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.